So what it is that it's the point where we could say all the same, but that is also the moment where that something that you kind of release, that your kind of rules and particular kind of binding of your surroundings. So when we could say all the same, is that kind of going yourself down to the bottom line and then kind of focus on the purpose of that particular moment to enjoy. So kind of you release and you free yourself and you could be more relaxed the moment where all the same you kind of not going to scrutinize in detail that compare and contrast what is the difference between in these things. Rather than doing so, we could kind of say all the same is a kind of the bottom line is that human activities, that the common denominator, the place where you situate yourself today, tomorrow, it doesn't matter the place where you situate yourself on, but the common denominator is you yourself. So believe yourself to enjoy the moment of that particular time and period and days. So in that sense, kind of introduce yourself to the notion of the same, the kind of the purpose is kind of to activate your own curiosity and your body follows that. Okay, so today 12 o'clock there are ringing the bell from the church, so kind of you cannot wait till 12:30, and 12 you are already in the place, so kind of like you are 30 minutes beforehand the actual event starts. So 30 minutes you have more kind of prepare yourself the time, right? So that kind of cannot wait till 12:30 is the idea of you kind of realize yourself. You kind of intentionally knows that your curiosity is very strong at that time moment, right? So the thing is though, if you don't think things, we always kind of looking around the difference in between things, all right? So there are Chinese people at the breakfast room, there are Western people in the breakfast room. There are differences, but all the same, meaning that the people needs to have breakfast at 8 a.m. is coffee or tea, coffee order tea, but all the same to drink, right? So it's kind of varieties of that food and drinks that you can have, but the bottom line is that we people eat. That's all the same, guys.
I want is you tonight. Cause all I want is you tonight. Cause all I want is you tonight.
Guten Abend.